Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this bendy text animation on CapCut PC. So add in your background, add in your text, select your text, and you're just going to type in the word bendy or bending. I don't know, it's up to you. So I'm going to change the font to just make it a little bit more fun. I'm going to change the color to this cute yellow. Okay, this cute yellow. Scroll down until you find curve, select it, and if you want to go from like this first to this, it's totally up to you. I'm just going to go from like this 95-degree angle, and then here I'm going to put it at like, actually I'm just going to do it randomly, because if I put it all at 95 it will take me a long time. I basically just selected this keyframe bit, and then I'm just going to bend it this way. You don't have to press the keyframe button again, because it will add it in by itself I meant. And you're just going to keep doing that until you're basically done, really, like that. And one more like that. Actually, I'm just going to end it on like the other angle, like this way. And that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!